Guys, have you ever wondered how can people make millions of dollars with meme coins while you guys are left holding the bags, while you guys are losing all your money? If it's a question you ever had, guys, I'm here to answer it today by showing you how a lot of people have been making a shit ton of money these last couple of months using meme coins. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to sell you a Telegram group or a Rockbot or any of these things. I'm here to give you a straight method for free, guys. So let me get straight to it. You know what? I'm actually going to tell you what is it about right now, guys. Actually, today I'm going to show you how you can launch a meme coin, how you can create a meme coin on the Solana blockchain to be exact, and how you're going to be able to launch a liquidity pool and remove this liquidity pool for profit, guys. So let me get straight to the point. So first, what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go on Pump.Fun. It's basically a Solana token creator, token launcher. That's where we're going to create our meme coin for today. By the way, guys, it's all for educational purposes only. I'm showing you this to show you how these people are doing it, to show you how these people, the method these people are using. So don't forget, it's all for educational purposes. But let me get straight to it. Like I said, we're going to go on Mintrosh.fun. It's a platform that lets you create a meme coin. And the good thing about this platform, guys, is that there's no coding required. If you want to launch on Radium, if you wanted to launch a coin on Radium, back in the days, you needed to know how to code. It was a headache. Now you just click on a couple of buttons and your coin gets launched. So I'm just going to show you around the website. There's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. There's an FAQ. If you have any questions, it might get answered here. But yeah, let me get straight to the point, guys. So first, when you're on Mintrosh.fun, what you're going to do, you're going to select your wallet. It's basically going to connect your wallet to the platform. So you'll be able to receive the meme coins you created on your wallet directly, guys. If it's your first time using it, it's going to show you a window on the top of the right here. And just click on connect and that's it. Then what you're going to do, guys, you're going to click on the create button here. Here it is. That's basically the Mintrosh token creator menu. That's where you're going to be able to choose a token name, a symbol, the decimals for your token, the total supply you're going to mint. You're also going to be able to pick an image, choose an image for your token, write a short description. And look, guys, that's the thing that really seals it for me. That's the thing that makes me love this platform so much, guys, is that you're able to revoke mint and freeze authority here for free. Compared to other platforms, guys, they charge you 0.1, 0.2 sol fee every time you want to revoke mint and freeze authority. Here on Mintrosh.fun, it is completely free. And if you know about this method, you know how important it is to revoke these authorities. Guys, we're going to come back to this a bit later. Now, I'm going to show you the first step of the method. The first step is actually going to be finding a viral coin to launch. Because if you launch a coin that no one wants to buy, a coin that is not really popular, no one's going to buy into it, and you're not really going to make money. So guys, you need to find a viral coin to launch. Some people, what they do, they go on Twitter, they look at the news, they see what's trending, and they just copy trending news. They just make a meme coin based on what's trending right now, on what's the news for today. But guys, I found a better, cheaper, faster method that these people have been using. What they do, basically, they go on Pump.Fun, they see what's trending, they see what's king of the hill, they see what's what has a lot of buying volume, and they just copy it, guys. It's as simple as this. So let's take this coin for example, Colt. So what they do, they just save the image here, boom, they copy and paste the name and the symbol, they go back on Mintrosh and they paste everything, guys. It's as easy as this, guys. So look, I'm gonna go back on Mintrosh, click on create. So I'm gonna upload the image here. Here it is, that's the image. So I'm gonna copy and paste the name here. Oops. Just make sure the name is not longer than 32 characters or else it's not gonna create your coin. Here it is. For the symbol, we're gonna copy and paste it too. You can delete a letter or something just so that it doesn't get flagged as a copy coin. Yeah, just, things like this. For the decimals, we're going to put 9 decimals. Make sure it's always 9 or else it's not going to work. And for the total supply we're going to mint today, guys, it's going to be 1,000,000,000 tokens. Why? Because it's like the standard number. All tokens, even when they're created on Pump.Fun, they get 1,000,000,000 token supply. So make sure it's 1,000,000,000. For the short description, you're just going to copy and paste it from here too. Boom. Paste. And do not forget to revoke mint and freeze authority. Why, guys? Because it makes your coin more trustworthy. People are actually going to trust your coin. They're going to buy into your coin because they know that mint and freeze authority has been revoked. So nothing's going to happen to them. They're not going to lose money. So you can just click on create token here. All right, guys, no worries. This is a standard message. This is standard procedure, guys. This website is a bit new. That's why I chose this message, but no worries. I'm going to show you the entire coin creation process throughout the video without any cuts. So you see everything that is going on. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you the transaction details too. So you can just click on proceed anyway safely. So look, I'm going to show you the transaction details here. So you're basically creating an account for your token. You're minting 1 billion tokens here, you're revoking mint and freeze authority, and you're sending the 0.2 small fee sold to the platform, guys. That's it. Everything is safe. You can just click on confirm. You confirm. And boom, guys, just like that, your token has been created. Listen, if it's not showing up on your wallet or if it's not showing up on SoulScan after like a minute, do not worry. Sometimes because of network congestion, your coin might not get created. Some transactions, they fail, guys. It happens, especially when there's a lot of volume on the Solana blockchain. What you need to do is basically you wait a minute. Also, guys, do not forget, you're not going to get charged anything unless your coin has been created, of course. So if it's not showing up in your wallet, you have not been charged anything. Do not worry. That happened to me a couple of times. What I do basically, I just wait a minute. I come back on the website. I try to create my coin again, and it works out perfectly fine, guys. So let's check if our coin has actually been launched. Yep, 43 seconds ago. So it's just gonna take us. It's just gonna take some time. We're just gonna check the transaction here. Here it is. Buy, hold, join the cult coin a minute ago. So if we check our wallet, it should show up in our wallet too. Yep, we got charged, and here it is. Buy, hold, join the cult. 1 billion cold coin, 0.2 soul, mint address. We can double check with the mint address here, 9EVSX. It's the same here, 9EVSX. The next step, guys, is actually going to be launching the liquidity pool. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to create a market for your token. People are actually going to be able to buy and sell your token for SOL. So to do this, what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go on Radium.io. Radium.io. Here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on liquidity. You're going to click on create here, standard AMM. Do not forget to connect your wallet here. Sometimes I forget to connect my wallet and I forget to connect my wallet and nothing gets created, but please do not forget to connect your wallet here. Then guys, what you're going to do, you're just going to copy and paste your token address here. So you're going to swap your tokens, your meme coins. You're going to copy and paste the symbol and the name too, guys. Make sure you got the right information or else it's not really going to work. Same thing here. For the name, add user token. Here it is. That's the 1 billion tokens we got in our wallet. All right. So now what you're going to do, guys, you're going to swap them for SOL. So here for this video, we're going to swap 900 million. So 90% of the token supply, basically, that's the standard number. I advise you to do the same, 900 million tokens. And for the amount of SOL here, I'm not going to exceed like 0.5 SOL for the sake of the video. So, I'm going to show you that you can make money with even just 0.2 SOL in the liquidity pool. Keep in mind, there's a 0.2 SOL fee every time you create a liquidity pool, but no worries, it goes directly to this liquidity pool. And also, this money you're putting into the liquidity pool is money you're not losing, guys. Why? Because you can always remove the liquidity pool and get your money back, get the SOL back you put into the liquidity pool, guys. Of course, you just gotta keep a little bit of SOL in your wallet to account for fees and everything. But no worries, guys. You can always remove the liquidity pool and get your SOL back. So for the fees here, we're just gonna put it at 2%. Everything is in check. We're just gonna click on initialize liquidity pool. All right, so look, you're swapping the 0.4 SOL. 13, you're getting 13,000 LP tokens, liquidity pool tokens, and you're swapping the 900 million tokens, guys. You can just click on confirm. And boom, guys, just like that, your liquidity pool has been created. So now it basically means your coin is live. People on Photon, people on Axion, people on BullX, they're going to be able to see your token on the Radium tab. They're going to see your token popping up right now in the recently created token section. And what we're going to do next, guys, I'm actually going to show you how to view your token. You can go on Deck Screener. Yeah, it's just verifying, guys, but you're gonna go on the screener here. You're just gonna copy and paste your token address. It can be from Mintrush or SoulScan, doesn't really matter. Just copy it from Mintrush. Leave. You just select a random Soul coin here. All right, and what you're gonna do then, guys, you're just gonna replace the token address here with your token address. And it should show up like in a minute. Just take some time to show up on Deck Screener. You just gotta wait a minute or two, and it's gonna show up with all your token informations, just so that you make sure that your token is actually live. So we're just gonna wait for it to appear. Here it is, guys. Look, a lot of buys already. A lot of buys came in, some sales. So it's actually looking good for the coin. There's a big buying volume right now. And most of these buys are bots. And now most of these buys, they're bots. But now the final step of the method is actually going to be waiting for real buyers to come in, for real buys to come in. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to show you how they take their profits out, of course. So a big buy came in, guys, for 0.6 Sol like a minute ago. So it's starting to look good, starting to look bright. So we're just gonna wait for more buys to come in, and then I'm gonna show you the final step of the method. Wow, another 0.7 Sol buy came in. Absolutely crazy, guys. It's really crazy. Big buys are coming in. Big money is starting to flow into the coin. So I'm just gonna wait for more buys to come in, and then I'm gonna show you the final step of the method, like I said, guys. All right, guys, another big buy came in, 0.2 Sol. So I think it's time to show you what's the final step of this method here, guys. So what we're gonna do now, what I'm gonna show you is you're gonna go back on Radium. You're gonna click on Portfolio. You're gonna look for your liquidity pool. So after like 5 to 10 minutes, your liquidity pool should appear here. That's our liquidity pool, guys. So what these people do basically, they just wait a couple more minutes for buys to come in. And then they click on standard here. They click on the minus button. They click on 100%, and look, if they remove the liquidity pool, they're getting this back into their wallet, guys, which is absolutely crazy. Keep in mind, we only put in 0.2 Sol in the liquidity pool. That's like a almost 5x, 6x return in like 10-15 minutes, which is absolutely crazy, guys. I'm just going to show you the transaction so you see what's going on. So look, that's the transaction. You're basically getting a 1.11 Sol, 1.16 Sol into your wallet here. You're swapping your liquidity pool token. So that's basically the tokens giving you control over the liquidity pool, and you're receiving the remaining meme coins that you put in the liquidity pool back in your wallet, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Look, that's like a 5x, 6x return in 15 minutes. Crazy.